Creating a menu labor operation. MaxxTraxx has two types of labor operations, flat rate labor and menu price labor. Flat rate labor is the most common, where we charge a number of hours multiplied by our hourly labor rate. Menu price labor is for jobs that have a fixed or advertised price. Operations such as oil changes, alignments, or mounting and balancing tires could fall into this category. The menu pricing options save time by not needing to calculate different labor and parts prices for a fixed price service. MaxxTraxx will do the calculating for you. First, we'll walk through creating a menu labor operation for an oil change, then add it to a repair order. You can set up a menu labor on the fly within a repair order, but for this video, we'll build the operation through the Manager dropdown. Click on the Labor Service list to get started. This will open the Labor Search window that shows you your full library of labor operations. Click the Add Labor Service button. Here we'll be selecting the radio button next to Menu Priced Labor. The labor code is what you'll search for in the library of labor operations. Make it something related to the service. In this case, we'll call it simply oil change. The short description box is what will appear in the repair order on your computer screen. The printed description box is what will appear on the customer's printed copy. You can build the description here to add value to the service. I just copied and pasted this for ease. Remember, you can also edit or add more to the description on the repair order. Click Next. At the flat rate hours box, put in the time your technician will be paid or incentivized on. Because this is a menu price labor, there will be no billing hours. This is important to know when reviewing productivity reports. The billing hours will be listed as 0 on reports for menu priced jobs. Make sure to check the Make Taxable box if labor is taxable in your area. After review, click the Next button. The pricing screen is where we will enter the labor and parts pricing. A good trick is to enter your parts pricing and the total menu price and let the system figure out the labor price. We'll add our parts by clicking on the Add Part or Placeholder button. You can choose to add a part from your parts list or a placeholder. Because oil and oil filters can vary in price, we'll use a placeholder. The placeholder will be replaced by a stock part later in the process. We'll put oil filter in the description, or you can select from a list of buyout parts if desired. Quantity will be 1. For the price, we'll pick an amount that we can safely sell an oil filter though, even though the cost will vary. Then we'll add oil, again using a placeholder and a safe price level. It is crucial to make sure you manage the menu pricing correctly. If the pricing is too low, the menu service will not be profitable. If it is too high, your customers may not purchase that particular service. Once we have the parts pricing set, all we have to do is put in the total menu price and MaxxTraxx will calculate the labor for us. Once you're done reviewing the window, click Finish. The menu labor operation is now on our list. To add the menu labor to a repair order, open the repair order and highlight the reason for service. Just like any other labor, right-click the line, click Add, then Labor from Service List, or click the Labors button for the same options. If you don't see the menu labor, just start typing the description and it will appear in the progressive search. Highlight the labor and click Select. In the Sales Detail Information window, we have the option of editing the description, deselecting the default parts, or changing the flat rate hours. Click OK when you're finished. Click the plus sign next to the labor line to expand the view. To replace the placeholder parts, simply highlight and right-click the parts line, then hold your cursor over the Replace this placeholder with a part line. This will give you several options, including buyout parts or online vendors. For this video, we'll pull a part from inventory. Find and select the oil filter to use. MaxxTraxx will now display the placeholder and inventory prices and ask you which price you would like to use. In this case, our inventory price is lower than the placeholder price. We'll select the placeholder price to keep our menu pricing intact. This opens the Sales Detail Information window. Note the price difference reflects a negative discount here, but not on the customer's copy. When you're done reviewing the details, click the Save button. Now we'll go through the same procedure for the oil. This time the oil inventory price is more than the placeholder price. In some circumstances, you may have to let the customer know that their price is going to be higher than the menu price. We know we have enough markup in the oil to be able to use the placeholder price, so we'll select that option. This time the detail window reflects a positive discount, and that will be reflected on the customer's final billing copy. Click Save after you review the pricing. We can check the overall profitability by clicking on the profit indicator at the bottom of the repair order. This is an excellent tool to make sure your menu labor operations are profitable. You can also see the overall breakdown in the Summary tab. Note the discount of the oil appears, but not the markup and higher profit on the oil filter. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.